Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. As you can probably read by the title, I'm doing a random colors and I'm doing brown. I decided to keep the colors on the title of each video so that I can keep track of which colors I have done. Just more easy for me. I guess that spoils it a little for you, but it is what it is. But if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So to start things off, I just did my base makeup that has nothing to do with the color that we picked today, and I'm going to go ahead and pick a color from this jar that I have. Shake it around. If you've seen my previous video, I picked purple, so that is not in the jar, and I'm gonna pick another color this time. I have no idea which one it is. Let's see. Brown. We're picking brown today. Okay. Natural colors. Now I will be going through my makeup and seeing which colors I want to use for this, and I am just using brown, different shades of brown for my eyeshadow and for my lips, if I can find a lipstick that is brown enough. If not, I maybe have to try with eyeshadow. I don't know yet. Okay, so I picked out the shades that I want to be using. I have two lipstick shades that I will eventually pick between, but when it comes to brown, I just want to do this. If I had brown eyeliner, I would wing my look today, but I don't, and I don't want to use black liner for this because we are doing a brown look. So I'm just gonna keep it nice and natural and smoky, well, smoky-ish, I guess. What I want to do is do one color in my crease that is like a transitional color between the two other colors that I will be using. So I will have one color all over my lid, and then, you know, the transition color and a color in the outer corners of my eyes. That is what I am going for today, and I will bring my eyeshadows to my under eye as well. For my crease, I want to just go in with a round brush, and I am using my H&M's eyeshadow palette, but if you don't have that, what you want is a medium brown. I am using one that has glitter in it because that is what I have. So I am using this shade right here. Wipe off any excess off of the brush, and then use the same brush and then go in with a really dark color, the darkest color we will be using, and I'm going to use the same palette. So I'm using this shade right here, a really dark brown. what you want to do is take a blender brush, and I'm using the one from Essence, and it looks like this, and then you just want to go ahead and blend it out. So essentially this is what you want it to look like at this point. You don't want to blend too much because you do want some darker definitions in the outer corner to give your eye more dimension. So the same palette, and this time with a flat brush, just because I want more precision. I want to go with all over my lid, well, not all, but almost all the way to the dark, and then most of my lid. And I want to go in with this color right here. So I'm going to be putting on mascara. I don't have a brown mascara, so I'm doing a black one. I will first curl my lashes. For this look, you would want to put mascara on your upper and lower lashes, which is what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline's the Colossal that looks like this. Next thing that I want to be doing is putting on some lip liner and lipstick before I do the highlighter, and I think I've decided to go for the one that matches the lip liner. And so this is the one from Isadora 200 Bare Beauty Perfect Lip Liner, and it just looks like this. This is the shade right here. So this is the 200 Bare Beauty from Isadora, and it looks like this. Now I just want to finish this off by putting on some setting spray, and I am using my Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix that looks like this. So this is the finished makeup look. This is what it looks like. A completely all brown makeup look. Well, as brown as I can get it. Makeup look that you can recreate or be inspired by to do at home. If you liked the video, please leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a new video. My Makeup Wednesday videos are uploaded every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!